Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to set up WP Fast Cache. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply go to plugins, click on add new, and we are going to be using the free version. So simply search for WP Fast Cache. After which you simply need to install it. Once installation is complete, you simply need to activate. Once you're done with that, you simply scroll down and you see it here, WP Fast Cache. Click on it. So it is going to take us to this dashboard. So guys, once you get here, you simply need to connect your Cloudflare account to your WP Fast Cache plugin. So we are going to click here before we start. We'll click here. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to get the token, that is the API token. So we'll simply go to our Cloudflare account. I already did a video on how to create your Cloudflare account, so I'll be leaving the video link in the description box below. So guys, after that you click on your profile, after which you click here. Once you're here, you simply click on what token. So guys, after that you simply click on what the API tokens. Click on create token. You choose your platform, so we're dealing with WordPress, so I'm going to click on use with WordPress. After that, scroll down or click on what continue to summary. Create. So guys, once you're done creating your API token, you simply copy it, come back here, insert it here, and you click on what next. You need to wait. After that, you simply need to click on next, to take 6 months after every cache to get expire. So next, finish. So guys, once you're done with that, you simply close it and you come back to your setting. After that, you simply need to click on this here, preloading. You can choose home page, depend on you what you want, the tag. So next, after that, mobile, yep. For new posts, you click on it, yep. For updated posts, yep. For you to clean the cache, click on it. So you simply click here also. After that, you click here, reduce the size of the CC file, click on it. Combine CSS, you click on it. For your headers, can also enable that, it depends on you. So for the browser cache, yep, enable that. So we're simply going to change our language to English. After that, you click on submit. So once you're done with that, you can simply come here for delete cache. This is only available for the premium version here. So you can simply clean the cache. Come and clean it. But this feature here is only available for premium version. Image optimization for premium version. So that's it. So for premium version only. So guys, that is actually the way you actually clean your cache. That is, you set up your WP Fast Cache for your WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.